Today, we gather to celebrate a milestone, a new chapter in the journey of Ingersoll Rand. And the theme that beautifully captures this moment is Pragati, which means progress. Pragati is not just a word, it's a reflection of the spirit that drives Ingersoll Rand forward.
To welcome each one of you at Ingersoll Rand's new plant inauguration at Sanand today.
From over a century of presence in India to building a world-class manufacturing plant right here in Sanand, every step has been about moving ahead, innovating, evolving, and growing together.